How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Outdoors with Todd. I'm Todd, and we're heading to the outdoors, everybody. Stick with me. And today's an exciting day. New chainsaw day. Stihl MS-261. So I'm going to invite you to come join me out here on the Fisheries Trail. And we're going to use this chainsaw for the first time, and we're going to remove all the down trees. So let's get at it. So before I get started here, I just wanted to say, as usual, of course, I'm not the only person out here doing this. I'm only just filming what I'm doing. Somebody else came through here and removed lots of trees already. So somebody had an ATV or a bunch of people, I'm not too sure. But whoever that is, wow, unbelievable. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it. Because I walked in here 2 or 3 kilometers and I didn't have to do anything until now. So that is totally awesome. Community spirit at its best, in my opinion. So once again, I'm only documenting what I'm doing. I'm not trying to take anybody's glory, because there's other people out here cutting wood and cleaning this trail and maintaining this trail as well. So to whoever those people are, thank you so much. So thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to put the camera away and knock out the rest of this trail here. So I really appreciate watching. And of course, new chainsaw day. Can't beat it. Stihl MS-261C. What a beauty. Man, oh man. What I like about it is it plows through the trees right quick, and it's not that heavy. That's too heavy to carry around while I'm hiking around here. So I'm hiking around here 7 kilometers, 6 kilometers right now. So, what a beauty. And let me tell you a little secret. My beautiful honey at home, Linda, bought me this chainsaw. She bought me this chainsaw because it's our anniversary tomorrow. And she knew I wanted a new chainsaw for a few years. And the other day she said, on Saturday we're going to go down to Home Hardware. We're going to buy you a new chainsaw, whatever chainsaw you want. So, holy smokes. It's like Christmas here. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Can't believe it. This is the chainsaw I researched and that I wanted. And they had one down there, so wicked. So thank you to Home Hardware, of course. Great service as usual. And of course, thank you to my honey for buying me this chainsaw. Wow. Unreal. That's a beautiful gift, man. This is a beautiful gift. And you know I'll get lots of use out of this one. So, again, we're out here on the Fisheries Trail, clearing the Fisheries Trail with a new chainsaw. And I really appreciate you watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd really love to have you here with me on my outdoor adventures. So how's it going, everybody? I'm just walking out of the bottom part now of the Little Fisheries Trail. And I got a lot done today, but I do have a little bit more to do. There was a few giant trees at the end that I didn't want to get because I'm totally pooped right now. So I'm going to try to get in here tomorrow and finish that off. So on that note, we'll see you tomorrow. I got to climb up this big hill now to the truck. Whew, I'm tired now. See you tomorrow, everybody. So good morning, everybody. I'm out here again the next day, and as you can see, it's a beautiful winter wonderland out here this morning. We had a decent amount of snow fall last night, and it's only zero degrees right now, so it's very sticky, very heavy snow, but very beautiful. So anyways, I'm out here on the fishery trail again, and I gotta remove those few trees. I've already removed 2 already, and there was only, I think 4 or 5, but a few of those ones were huge. So. And the second one I just removed, first one on camera, was a huge one, but there's one even bigger. So that's where we're going in right now to get that done. And then the fisheries trail is open for business. All the users of the fisheries trail can come on in here and enjoy the winter in here. Because there's lots of ATVers, skidoers, hikers, snowshoers, dog walkers. Everybody loves to use this trail, especially in the wintertime. So we'll get it all cleaned up, get ready to use, and once again, winter is here. Beautiful. How's it going, man?
Oh, good, man. Film it.
Yeah. I got a YouTube channel called Outdoors with Todd.
Oh, you're the guy.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm sorry, man.
Hold on. So I think we're done here. I think I made it as far as I was yesterday. I'm almost 99% sure that all the trees are gone right now, but I'm not 100% sure because things are looking a little different here with all the snow right now. But I think I was where I did the final cut yesterday. So all the trees are down and gone. Thank God for that. And I noticed this time coming in, we're over the hump of all the fallen trees. And what I mean by that is we had a warm windstorm here 2 weeks ago. And a year ago or 2 years ago, there would have been 150 trees down. This time it was way better. So I think the majority of the trees that are going to hit the trail have fallen now, which is wonderful. So that's a nice sign. So I'm glad to be out here. I'm really glad to spend 2 days again on the Little Fisheries Trail, clearing the trail, getting it opened up for the winter season. So everybody can come out here and enjoy their winter activities out here. So, once again, the new chainsaw, wow, what a beauty. Cut through the trees, no problem whatsoever. The chainsaw I previously owned was the MS-170, actually, I still own it. That chainsaw is a workhorse, let me tell you right now. That chainsaw has been through thick and thin. Cut thousands of trees, did a bunch of trail maintenance, trail work, etc., etc., etc. And the chainsaw is still going, but I wanted something with a little bit more power that can cut through these bigger trees, which is why I got this one. And I'm glad I got this one because it made quick work of these trees the last 2 days. Made work a lot easier. So anyways, enough rambling. Thanks for watching. Everybody give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, share it with your friends. And of course, please subscribe. Everybody, I'm Todd. And this is my new chainsaw. And you're watching Outdoors with Todd. We'll catch you in the next one, everybody.